Well, hello YouTubers. I'm back. And this time, I'm going to show you how to unlock T.I.Y, as you see in the background, and my 4 golden items. So, let's get started. This is T.I.Y. And to get T.I.Y, YouTubers, is you have to wait 21 days since Super T&T Market was built. Now I'll show you how it's like inside, so. Welcome, welcome, come on in. Oops. Sorry, YouTubers, hard to get through these things stuff. See, these are the items that are in my store today. There's modder chair, bread box, scarecrow was there, I bought it. Mobile's on the wall. That's Mobile, and captured toy machine. The others are papers, floor, walls, and there's 2 fortunes that you can see there, and a song. It's in my store today was KK Mumble, but I bought it. So sorry, YouTubers. Move, Timmy or Tommy, whoever you are. Timmy, thank you for visiting. Come on back. Sure, I'll come back tomorrow. Alright, YouTubers. We took care of T.I.Y, so. Okie dokie. Alright, YouTubers. Now, let's move over here. I'm going to show you my golden items. So, the first one is this is my golden slingshot. To get a golden slingshot, you have to pop 16 balloons. After that, you'll see 3 golden balloons popping. Pop that, you get a golden balloon. Next up, my golden watering can. And to get a golden watering can, you have to you have to keep a perfect town for 15 days. Now that's a challenge for me because, YouTubers, I have to worry about dead flowers and all that. The secret is to put your ornaments for pretty town. If you do that, it'll be impossible for your flowers to die, because it's a pretty town and not an ugly town. Here's an example, YouTubers. See? Isn't that amazing, YouTubers? Alright. Next up, my golden axe. Now, to get the golden axe, you have to buy 50 saplings. And after getting the 50 saplings, Lief will reward you the golden axe. Now, what's good about the golden axe, YouTubers, is it doesn't break at all. It's unbreakable. It's better than the silver axe and the normal yucky axe, happy axe. But having the golden axe, think of, YouTubers, you don't even have to buy axes after axes after axes. Because the golden axe is unbreakable. Now, last golden item is the golden shovel. Now, to get the golden shovel, you're going to need T.I.Y. Emporium. Since I don't have T.I.Y. Emporium, I got it from someone else's town. So, anyways, to get the golden shovel, you have to buy 50 fertilizer. But it does not sell it at T.I.Y. Instead, you have to wait to get T.I.Y. Emporium to get the golden shovel. And what's great about the golden shovel is you can also make money trees. You can plant a money tree. I tried it, YouTubers. I don't know what the secret of making a money tree is. To do it, you have to bury 99 Ks and then water it 5 times. That's what I heard, YouTubers. I tried a bunch of times, but who knows, YouTubers? Here's an idea. If you want me to go to your town and make you a money tree to try it out for myself and see if I can do it, please input, or instead of input, open your gate and tell me what times are you available or what time you'll be opening your gate. And maybe I can try and see if I can make a money tree. Okay, YouTuber? Because I tried on my town and someone else and I end up with just a normal old tree. But if you want me to try to make you a money tree, please open your gate or input your friend code and I'll be happy to make you a money tree. Okay? Of your very own. Although, YouTubers, if I can't do it, hey, you can blame me, but I'll be happy to help out. Alright, YouTubers. That's my 4 golden items. I'm going to put it away now. Because... Alright, YouTubers. I want to show you... Well, that's T.I.Y. and... my 4 golden items so far. Man, YouTubers, every time I play this game, I end up with mail. So, let's get inside. Excuse me. Alright, here's my upgrade on my house it had been lately. I know you can't see it well, YouTubers. That didn't work either. This is my... See? I also got a friend named Astrid. She used to live in my town, but she moved away. For some reason, you can get their picture by being their best friends and doing their chore. There's my vacuum. That's KK Island, YouTubers. Here's my kitchen. That's Calf KK. Is my kitchen. And my number 3 lamp. Now, YouTubers, I want to tell you something. If anyone has the number 2 lamp and the number 4 lamp, I'll be offered to give you free money if, like, I don't know, like 10,000 bells, if you could get me the number 2 lamp or the number 4 lamp. And I'll give you free money, like 10,000 bells. If you guys, YouTubers, find me the number 2 and 4 lamp, I would happy to give you the 10,000 bells. Now, here's my bathroom. See my shark? Yep. And this is Surfing KK. So, here's the guy who's peeing. Forgot what they call it. Some statue that pees. There's my number 5 lamp. I'm working on getting the back room YouTubers yet. Just the problem is it's just too busy with other stuff, and that's why I don't get time. Then I just got out of my house. She's gracious. I still didn't show the upstairs yet, YouTubers. Shame on me. Okay, sorry about the blurriness, YouTubers, because this thing here is just so wide. Okay. Here's my bedroom. My number 6 lamp. You see my YouTubers? I need the 4 and 2 lamp. If anyone has it, I'll give them 10,000 bells each if they get the number 2 and 4 lamp for me. Because that's what I'm after. Because I got plans for the number 2 and 4 lamp. If anyone has the 2 or 4 lamp. What do you think, YouTubers? What number will it land on? And number 6. Alright, enough playing around. My buck bed. That's my rocking chair. A rocking horse, they say. Alright, YouTubers. One more. The basement. I'm working on the back room, YouTubers. Still don't have it. Just give me some time, YouTubers. This Animal Crossing game is very challenging. That's KK Parade, YouTubers. See my number 1 lamp. Alright. This is my music room. Do 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 do. Might be annoying, YouTubers, but you'll get used to the song once you get it. And back to my living room. Here's Katie. Alright. Now, I know this is not in the video, YouTubers, but I want to show you something. Not my windmill, I already showed you that. Okay. Okay. You ready, YouTubers? Oh, boy. Oh, hello there. Welcome. Oh, I'm sorry, YouTubers. I blocked the... Hard to see what I'm doing, YouTubers. I'm so sorry. Alright. Pushy, 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 pushy. Alright, I don't have time to deal with this right now. Because my Cyrus is awake. Whoever Cyrus isn't awake, I can tell you how to wake up Cyrus. To wake up Cyrus, you have to have 50 items in the catalog that relates to furnitures like house stuff. And you have to sell 100,000 bells worth. And you have to have T&T Market. I'm sure you all have T&T Market by then, so whoever's Cyrus still asleep ain't doing it right. Who's here today? So many. Oh, Anchovy. This is one of my residents. I could talk to him real quick, YouTubers. I bet that there's a real bargain hiding somewhere in here. This is where my eagle eye is gonna come in handy. He looks mad, YouTubers. Okay, let's find some steals. He's not a burglar, YouTubers. He's a nice little bird. I don't know if I want to waste my time with this, but if anything, he's gonna... Should I push him, YouTubers? Move, Reese. Ah! He wants the hamster. You put the hamster cage up for sale, right? I think I might want it. Buy it. Okay. If you say I should buy it, I know I should buy it. Since I'm getting your hand-me-down, it's almost like you're my big brother, Mayor. Excuse me, I'll take this, please. And Reese says, okay. And boom! It's gone, YouTubers. Anchovies got the hamster cage. Alright, since you're right here, I should just pay you directly. Okay, here you go. And there's my money, YouTubers. And that's how you get your residents to buy what you put up for sale. Well, YouTubers, I guess it's time for me to go. So, I'm going to keep enjoying Animal Crossing, playing it on my spare time. But, I hope you YouTubers enjoy this lovely, unlockable T.I.Y, my 4 golden items, and my house tour. I wasn't planning to do that, but I did it anyway for your entertainment. Okay? Okay. And remember, YouTubers, if you can get me the number 2 and the number 4 lamp, please, I'll open my gates to receive it, or open your gates so I can go to your town, and I can give you the free 10,000 bells for the number 2 lamp and the number 4 lamp, because I have plans for them and I need them for my plans. So if you can do me that favor, YouTubers, please open your gate and if you can get me the 2 lamp and 4 lamp, I can get you the free 10,000 bell each. So YouTubers, that would help me a lot and I appreciate it. So, that's all, YouTubers. I appreciate it, and tune us for the next episode of Animal Crossing New Leaf. Bye. And while I exit my retail, I'm going to keep playing stop this recording and play Animal Crossing New Leaf in my spare time. So, have a nice day, YouTubers. Thank you, come again. And you too, YouTubers. Bye.